The endocannabinoid system, or E.C.S, modulates energy intake as well as nutrient transport, metabolism, and storage. Endocannabinoids also control a variety of functions in the nervous system, heart, reproductive, and immune systems. Essentially, endocannabinoid messengers help our cells communicate with one another. In all animals, the nervous system works basically in the same way. Large numbers of nerve cells carry electrical signals, and wherever the cells meet, these signals are passed to a receptor in the next cell by a chemical messenger called a neurotransmitter. Inside the brain, there are different types of neurotransmitters, including dopamine and serotonin. All animals, from mice to whales, from monkeys to humans, share this basic structure. Recent scientific discoveries date the appearance of endocannabinoids in the evolutionary cycle as far back as the time of the first primitive invertebrates.
What happened was the nervous system acquired a new chemical, if you like, that had a new flavor, a new type of chemical, and it's this chemical that is related in structure, has a similar shape to the chemical that's found in cannabis.
It is now accepted in scientific circles that our endocannabinoid system represents something absolutely unique and wonderful within our organism.
My good Italian friend Di Maso summarized the activity, which is really a summary, says, well, what do the endocannabinoids do? They relax, help us eat, sleep, forget, and protect. Not remember, forget. And don't think that forgetting is less important than recalling. We should have a system to forget. Otherwise, well, if you wish, we can burst. If you go down a mall and see 1,000 faces, do you want to remember all of them? Of course not.
Dr. Meshulam was the first to investigate this intriguing similarity between the endocannabinoids produced in our body and those produced by cannabis plant.
Problems we have been investigating for many years is the cannabis plant, as well as materials present in our body, in the body of animals, that whose action is completely parallel to the action found with the compounds in the plant.
Thanks to this research, it was finally possible to understand why cannabinoid compounds offer such a wide array of therapeutic remedies for the human animal and other life forms. Thanks to their amazing similarity, marijuana's natural cannabinoids can offer a perfect replacement mechanism when there is a weakening in our internal endocannabinoid system. It's as if a soccer coach had an exact duplicate of the official team available, with which to replace an exhausted defense player with an identical defense player, a worn-out attack player with an identical attack player, an injured goalie with an identical goalie.
It's quite an amazing spectrum of compounds that are in that plant. And what's so unique and incredible about them is they are touching on this incredible system that pervades all of us and regulates everything from, I tell people, cradle to grave, because it's in mother's milk.
As long as mankind lived in harmony with nature, the endocannabinoids produced in our bodies did an efficient job as tumor regulators, free radical scavengers, and anti-inflammatory agents.